Hi everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials, your go-to channel for step-by-step guidance on crafting strong professional letters. In today's video, we'll walk through a sample job application letter for an accountant position. I'll read the full letter to you, and more importantly, I'll break it down line by line so you know exactly what to write and why it matters. Let's dive in. We begin, as always, with the sender's information at the top left of the page. Here's how it looks. Daniel P. Whitaker, 4567 Lakeview Terrace, Cleveland, Ohio, 44109, 216 5557643, daniel.whitaker@email.com. This is the applicant's full name, street address, city, state, and zip code, followed by their phone number and professional email address. Make sure the email sounds formal, no nicknames or slang, and always double-check your contact info for accuracy. Next comes the date of the letter, in this case, July 15th, 2025. Always write the full date, spelled out like this. It looks more professional than using abbreviations or just numbers. Now we move to the employer's information, also left aligned and placed just below the date. Hiring manager, Hamilton and Pierce Financial Services, 1800 Commerce Street, Cincinnati, Ohio, 45202. If you know the name of the person in charge of hiring, definitely use it. If not, addressing it to the hiring manager is perfectly acceptable and still polite. Now we include the subject line. It should be specific and clear. Like this. Subject: Application for accountant position. This line immediately tells the reader what the letter is about. It's simple, but important, especially if the company is hiring for multiple roles. Now comes the salutation, which we never want to skip. This one reads, Dear Hiring Manager. If you know their name, personalize it. Dear Ms. Johnson, for example. But Dear Hiring Manager is a respectful and widely used option when the name is unknown. All right, let's move into the body of the letter. The first paragraph introduces you and states your interest in the job. Let's read it. I am writing to apply for the accountant position at Hamilton and Pierce Financial Services, as recently advertised. With over 5 years of experience in financial reporting, budget analysis, and tax preparation, I am confident in my ability to contribute to your team and uphold the firm's reputation for integrity and excellence. Let's break that down. The first sentence is direct. It tells the reader the position you're applying for and where you saw it advertised. The next sentence summarizes your qualifications, 5 years of relevant experience, and expresses confidence in your ability to contribute to the company. Words like integrity and excellence reflect values that are especially important in financial services. Now, the second paragraph gives more detail about the applicant's current job and skills. In my current role at Midtown Accounting Group in Cleveland, I am responsible for preparing monthly financial statements, managing payroll operations, reconciling bank accounts, and overseeing client tax filings. I have experience working with a variety of accounting software, including QuickBooks, Sage, and Microsoft Dynamics, and am well versed in GAAP standards and IRS regulations. My attention to detail and commitment to accuracy have earned me recognition from both clients and management. This paragraph shows the employer what the applicant is capable of. It starts with current job responsibilities, like preparing reports and managing payroll. Then it highlights the technical tools and standards the applicant is familiar with, which is a big plus. Finally, it ends with a soft brag, mentioning that his work has been recognized. That's a great way to show confidence without sounding arrogant. The third paragraph talks about soft skills and extra achievements. Beyond technical skills, I bring strong organizational abilities, effective communication, and a proactive approach to problem solving. I've collaborated with cross-functional teams to improve reporting processes and reduce audit risks, which resulted in a 15% increase in efficiency during our last fiscal year. This section tells us more about how the applicant works with others. It's not just about crunching numbers, It's about being organized, communicative, and proactive. Including a specific result, like a 15% boost in efficiency, adds real value and shows the employer that the applicant delivers measurable outcomes. Next, we have the fourth paragraph, where the applicant connects with the company's mission. I am particularly drawn to Hamilton and Pierce for its commitment to personalized financial services and its growing presence in the Ohio business community. I believe my experience and drive would be a valuable addition to your accounting department. This is where you show the employer you've done your homework. It's not a copy-paste letter. You're showing that you understand and appreciate what the company stands for. Always take the time to research and mention something you admire about the organization. Now the letter begins to wrap up. Enclosed is my resume for your review. I would be grateful for the opportunity to discuss how my qualifications align with your firm's goals. Please feel free to contact me at 216-555-7643 or daniel.whitaker@email.com to arrange a convenient time for an interview. This is your call to action. You're letting them know your resume is attached, and you're inviting them to get in touch for the next step. It's polite and professional. Finally, we close with a thank you and a respectful sign-off. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to speak with you further. Then the closing line. Sincerely, Daniel P. Whitaker. Sincerely is always a safe and professional way to close a business letter. Avoid casual sign-offs like cheers or best, and always include your full name under the signature to keep things formal. And there you have it. That's a complete walkthrough of a professional accountant job application letter. When writing your own, remember to keep your tone confident, respectful, and clear. Make sure every sentence serves a purpose, whether it's to highlight your skills, show enthusiasm, or explain how you align with the company's goals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to writing tutorials for more letter writing guides. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover a specific job letter next. Thanks so much for watching, and happy writing!